My name is Paulo. I'm a massage therapist. I graduated from the program PMT. I was manager of big company in Brazil to meet someone that introduced me to ICOHS. This was the big challenge because I didn't speak English. ICOHS gave me all the support that I need. And then they also offer the English class. So to come here to invest in my education, my life started to change. And then from that, I was able to be part of the community. I choose the professional program as massage therapist to be able to help people release stress, pain. The professors, they was amazing, helping me to build my confidence with my English and to understand how to express myself as a professional. ICOHS has connection with the San Diego soccer and American football. And then I was able to be volunteer working with them. After I graduated, I opened my own business. Even if you worry, but don't give up. Find one school like ICOHS. Try to be open to learning. The more important is to be in the present. Believe on you.